It's nighttime. What should we do at night? Do something suspicious again. Because we're kitty villains. We never give up. We're villains. So, what should we do? We should find the king. Okay, I'll go try to find him if I can. Let's go. I'll go find him. Go find him. There he is, of all cats.
Я понял, что изначально лучше ставить самые большие и тяжелые фигуры, потому что поле развивается, и большие фигуры потом сложнее намного поставить, и намного сильнее влияет на баланс.
I'm back. So, what was he doing? He was just relaxing and sitting there and watching TV. Oh, okay. He was just watching TV. Yeah. Maybe we should take him tomorrow again. We're kittens villains. We never, ever give up. Right? Yeah, we never, ever give up again. We shouldn't give up. Because we're kitty sour, we're kittens villains. I wonder what we should do today. It's too hot to do anything. It's too hot to steal snacks. It's too hot to relax. The only thing we could do is sit here. And everything else, it's done. We don't give up. We're cat villains. Exactly. We shouldn't give it up. Let's go find out. A giant snake. A giant snake? How long? About 3 feet. Don't panic. It's not gonna bite you if you don't do anything to it. Okay, but what if it does do something? It's gonna be a disaster with a snake in the house. But to look how big it is. It's so big and scary. It's not scary at all. Look, he looks friendly. Is he friendly? I think so. But are you sure? Are you not sure? I'm totally sure in this. It's giant and it's too hot to steal snacks. And it's too hot for everything. What should we do? Thanks for watching. See you in part 2.